So what has been your experience with India Authors Academy?
I joined India Authors Academy in early March, and I'm glad I did. I was reluctant in the beginning. I just went through a post in social media, poster Sweta Samota. I thought, okay, she's an author coach, but then she has written so many fabulous books, and there are so many good authors. How will I stand in between them, in front of them, along with them? How will I gel? But then somewhere, some days, at some moment, it clicked that let me give it a try. And so in these months, I've been able to overcome my self doubts. I've also been able to ignite my passion. The passion was there within me since childhood. I used to write poetries in my childhood. I began writing Shero Shairi when I was a teenager. And then when I had my first crush, I thought, okay, uske liye Shero Shairi likh do. And then I went to medical college. There I wrote for a couple of months, and then I got engrossed in the studies. I did not have time to write rather. And then after that, I used to write my academic papers and then write a blog here and there, one or two poetries here and there. I never knew how to publish. So this academy, and especially Sweta and Manish, have shown me the path. They have put me on track. And then in the month of May, I published 2 books.
Oh, wow.
And when she challenged us to publish our audiobook within June 5th, that is, the last day was June 5th, it was really challenging for me, but then I did that also because during those times I was demonstrating to the mines workers. I work in mines area, regional hospital of the mines area in Coal India. So I had to demonstrate cardiopulmonary resuscitation and compression only life support to all the workers of all the shifts. And I was hopping from one mine to the other, demonstrating to them, talking to them, and all without a mic, literally shouting, and doing that 3 times in a day for 3 shifts.
Yeah.
And I did that continuously for 14 days. और मेरे throat की जो हालत थी, my throat was really bad. I used to take warm sips, wake up at 2 a.m. in the morning each day for about 4-5 days till I finished my recording. And then as a perfectionist as I am today, according to the activity that I guessed, I got a major score in that. I took about 8 days to edit that. इसमें tone नीचे हो गया, इसमें ऊपर हो गया, and I have to re-record and do. But finally, because of this motivation and propelling forward action, that yes, you have to finish it by June 5th and then you'll get an award. I managed it, it got published, and it also got released on 5-6 platforms. And it's such a bliss to listen to my voice, and listen to my book in my voice. So all thanks to an immense gratitude towards IAA, and God bless you, a little kid was doing such a great, and all gratitude to this academy that showed your path. And I told Sweta also in our life that if one has an intention, intention is to be yours. They can't put intention and the plot in your mind. If you have that right intention and a passion to write, then they are there to guide and you will be on the track. And still I can't believe that I am a published author. Though I am not a best-selling author yet, it will take time because one book has been published only 15 days back and the other is a month old. So okay, I'm waiting and I'll make it.
So would you recommend others to join IAA?
I have recommended to my friends who are interested in reading and writing, and I would definitely recommend to more people. I've invited some friends also today in the evening. Come and
Thank you.
thank you.